Hey guys, so we just bought the Clickbank product for our Pinterest ads case study live campaign, and the product is actually cooler than I thought. Check it out. Welcome back to the Pinterest ads case study part 2. We're actually going to be buying the Clickbank product we intend to promote on Pinterest. So in part 1 of the Pinterest ads case study, we actually chose a Clickbank product from the marketplace that we best suited with Pinterest. We actually chose the custom keto diet plan offer because the keto niche on Pinterest is pretty huge. Now, whether you're doing affiliate marketing or you're doing drop shipping, it's very important to know the product that you're promoting. And there's a lot of money to be made in the space, but also there's a lot of competition. So if there's any type of advantage you can get over other marketers or promoters or e-commerce sellers, take it. So let's get started. There are 3 main reasons why you want to consider actually buying the product or service that you're promoting. Number 1 is getting familiar with the product. The more familiar you are with the product, the easier it is to actually sell that product. When you're writing your ads, you want to think like your customer, but the best way to think like a customer is to actually become one by buying the product. Number 2 is getting on the vendor's email list. So on Clickbank, once you buy that product, you'll be actually entered on that Clickbank vendor's email list, and you can see what kind of headlines they're using and what type of verbiage they're using in those emails, and maybe implement that into your own email marketing sequence. Number 3 is to get copy or material that you can use in your ads. So specifically with my offer, the custom keto diet, one of the benefits is getting a printable shopping list to take with you to the grocery store. Now I could tease that maybe a little bit in my email marketing campaign or in my ad campaign. And that's something that you can also do with other products, where you can actually get additional features or find something that you like and actually put that into your ads or campaigns. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the laptop and actually buy the product. Let's get started. If you're enjoying this Pinterest ads case study and would like to see even more videos on Pinterest or affiliate marketing, let me know by subscribing to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, put in the comments, "I subscribe," and maybe a question or anything you want to say to me. I'll go ahead and hit the like button, and I'll also reply to your comment. I reply to all of my comments. Thank you. All right, guys, it's showtime. We're actually going to be buying the product on Clickbank, so we'll go ahead and navigate to my laptop. Now, there's one thing I did want to show you guys first. Let's go to the offer on Clickbank. Gravity. Okay, custom keto diet. It seems like it's moved up a little bit over Steel by Pro. I think, okay, so here it is. 304 and 302. I think these are competing. All right, so what I wanted to show is, because when I checked the FAQ, apparently some offers, like the vendors will give you a free copy without you having to buy it. But this is actually one of the questions if you go on the affiliate page for the custom keto diet. It says, can you give me a review copy? Unfortunately, we are unable to offer review copies, but you are welcome to purchase it through your affiliate link, so you get 75% off the price, right? So the thing with this is I'm gonna buy it, but if you're promoting another offer, make sure, or at least ask, can you get a review copy if they don't specifically say that you can't have one, right? So let's go ahead and start the process. So I'm gonna click the link. I got a tracking link. I'm kind of testing out one of my tracking links as well at the same time. So let's click this. Should take us to the offer. Okay, so this is the beginning of the funnel. So there's two ways to promote this link. Well, it's more like 4, but 2 main ways. You got the video sales letter, where it'll be a video that walks them through, or it just goes straight to the keto diet quiz. So we're gonna get started. I'm a male. Daily activity level, we're gonna do average. We're gonna do fish, bacon, chicken, veggies. We're gonna do all these except mushrooms. I don't really like mushrooms. Okay, eggs, nuts. Well, sometimes we'll leave some nuts off. Some of them make me like allergies and stuff. All right, butter, no coconut. Age, all right, so I'm 26, 511. Right now I'm 228. I'd like to be 190. Okay. All right, so this is what the customer will be looking at. You can go click right here to go instantly, but let's look at what comes up here. All right, so they've got daily calories for me, specifically for my weight, 2,500 to 2,600 calories. And then here's my macros for fat. So about 200 grams of fats, 160 grams of protein, and very low on the carbs, right? So this is a keto diet, so you got to be really low on the carbs, so 30 to 40 grams. They even have how much water I should be taking in, my BMI. Apparently I'm obese. Okay. Daily activity level, achievable weight in 30 days, 219. They got some testimonials. Some of the features: fully automated, editable, fast food restaurants. What you get: portion sizes have been calculated specifically for you. The most popular keto diet. Easy recipes for preparing the meals. I'm gonna click get it now. All right, we're gonna do Rashad, and I actually got I created an email specifically for this. So let's copy this, go back. All right, and then we're gonna paste. Whoops. Case study test Pinterest at Gmail. Make sure that's right. Case study Pinterest at Gmail. Okay. All right. I'll click it. Okay, get your personalized keto diet. All right, now we're gonna complete the order. All right. Okay, now I have to blur out some of this stuff, but bear with me. I'm gonna enter in my card details. 1 second.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, so we just bought the Clickbank product for our Pinterest ads case study live campaign, and the product is actually cooler than I thought. Check it out. Okay guys, so we bought the product and now we're back into the dashboard of the actual custom keto diet offer on Clickbank. So let's check it out. All right, so when you first get here, it says, welcome to your CKD portal, which is custom keto diet. Please select your custom options. Do not close this window. It may cause your account to be deleted. That's a little salesy for my touch, but activate your 1 month free online coaching. Looks like this is a video. Oh, hold on. I think I gotta have my headphones connected. Okay, now I should play.
Wanted to be the first to congratulate you on your decision. The custom keto diet is the most exciting innovation in weight loss today, helping thousands of people achieve their weight loss goals. And I'm thrilled that you've just taken your first step. But before we get started... Okay, this video might be a little long. I won't hold you guys through this whole thing, but this looks like to be a one-time offer or like upsell type of thing. So it says, just use the button below to activate your free 30 days of online coaching. Because of limited space, if you choose not to activate your free online coaching, your spot will be passed on to someone else. So this is a one-time offer for $0, but then looks like they'll be charged $30 a month if they actually start that. And it says, no thanks, Rachel. I understand I can't get access to your online coaching for free anywhere else, even though this is the safest and fastest way to guarantee my best possible results with the custom keto diet. That's pretty aggressive as well. But I mean, I'm guessing this works. All right, pass on the free coaching. Okay.
Hi, Rachel Roberts here, and congratulations on joining the custom keto family. I want to welcome you with an exclusive opportunity to not just lose a few pounds, but to radically transform.
Make sure. Okay, I think there's another upsell. Can I just go to the? Make sure you watch the whole video to discover. Oh, geez.
From your health and body.
I think it's.
Losing weight up to 10
I think it's forcing us to watch this.
times.
1 hour later.
Okay, guys. So I probably skip the video sales letter, because the first one-time offer, once you buy the custom keto diet, is a online coaching with a recurring, I believe, $30 monthly fee. And then the second one-time offer is this BioSlim probiotic supplement, and they give you 1 bottle, 6 bottles, and 3 bottles as different packages based on how many you want. So we'll go ahead and close that down, but it is good to know that we will get commissions on these upsells. I think it's 75% on each upsell. So that's pretty good. So we'll go ahead and click no thanks. I understand this is my one and only opportunity to take advantage of today's huge discounts. Okay, I'll pass on this opportunity forever. That's pretty aggressive as well. All right. Okay, then I try again. No, okay. Okay. Whew. Okay. Keto recipes. Looks like another upsell. Okay, we're gonna pass. Oh, okay, I guess that was all upsell, and now we can access the actual product. Thank you for your purchase. All right. Okay, now we're actually going to the portal. All right. Here's the back end of the custom keto diet product on Clickbank. Hi Rashad, congrats and welcome to your custom keto diet members area and the start of your weight loss journey. You made a great decision. Health benefits and speed. Going to be with you every step of the way. Let's make sure the welcome video explains everything you know. Okay. Take me to my custom keto diet. Okay. Now this shows current weight, height, everything that I put in. And it has okay, day one. Okay, this is day one keto breakfast rice, lemon butter salmon with asparagus. Yeah, so it's got each day for 8 weeks. Let's see, did these change? Some change for the weeks. Oh, okay, it does change. All right, and then let's see, download shopping list. Okay, here's a shopping list that you can download. Okay, pretty basic. Okay, let's go here. Keto 101 book. Oh, that's free to download. Okay, so I could use this. Keto Diet 101. I won't go through this whole thing, but this is what I mean when you actually go to the offer. There's things in here that you might be able to use. These free resources, recipes. These might be actually chart. Oh, yeah, all of these. We get access to all of these supplements. Okay, ingredients. Check this out. Okay, guys, so that's it. So I in this video for the case study, I went and bought the Clickbank product on Clickbank for our Pinterest ad case study, and we saw the 2 upsells. There was the monthly coaching, and they also had a supplement that they were selling, and then you finally get to the actual portal for your custom keto diet. So I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and make sure you stay tuned for part 3 of the Pinterest ads case study. Thank you.